So welcome back again. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about events. So I'll just be tackling a bit on events, then later on we'll be diving deep into events when I will be using forms. So I'll just extract this to maybe list and conditions. So paste. Then we can have this as something fresh. Then we can just have a v template here, v3 ts setup. So I'll move this up. So let's say you have a button, then let's say const you have a method, let's say click me. If you have that method, it surely takes an event which is of type event, which is global. You don't need to import anything. Then we can just say log. You can just log the event and clicked. Then you can just have that event. So hyphen. So we have this method here known as click me. So we need to have like a button which shows when we click that button, then maybe say click me. So if I click on it, it should just be clickable. And let me just open inspect and open up the console here. Refresh this. Then now if I click, there's nothing to show. If I just zoom in here a bit, okay, let me just open the console. Okay. Let me just go with the console. Okay. So we have just zoomed so much in. So let me just console. So we have console here, and so click me. If I click on click me, there's nothing happening. Then these are also directives. So if you want to apply maybe an event handler, then we use a v on. Okay, so v on, then you pass whatever is to be run when you click. So this is the event, the v on click. So you pass v on, then now the event which is supposed to be triggered, then now you pass the method as the value here. So we just take this click me, pass it here. Then if now we click, you'll see clicked. Then you can see it's a button. That all these you see the target is a button, and there's all a lot of things around this. So you can, that's how you can actually run an event in Vue.js. So you can use the v on, directive, but it doesn't mean there are so many things you can here can play, change, click, copy, cut, drag, drop, focus. So depending on whichever event you want to apply on a given element, so it's not only the button, but you can have the form v on submit for the form, v change, v on change for input change. So you can apply a lot of other methods that pertain to events that are triggered on the DOM on a given element. So that was for the button, which was just click. So this is kind of longer way, and it can be shortened by just having it as at, instead of v on, you can replace this v on with at. So this should be shorter, and if I click, should still be able to do the same thing. So that should be it for the events, but later on we'll be tackling on events across components and events within the same. So this is just a sneak peek of whatever is coming. So let's meet in the next.